Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we discuss about the lesson, sixth lesson, Who I Am. Children, and this lesson speaks about the diversity. Here, diversity means variety. It tells that everyone has a something special in him or her. Means everyone, every boy or every girl, something special quality in him or her. Next, everyone is a unique in their own way. Means everyone is unique means everyone is different in their own way. So, in this lesson, there are 6 different people whose uniqueness has been shared in this lesson. So, in this lesson, there are 6 people. Uniqueness means varietiness, differentness has shared in this lesson. So, before you read in this lesson, we look up what we are like and how each of us is different. We are all interesting people in different ways, and we are all good at different things. As you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy doing. So means what you like to enjoy in your life. So everybody is enjoying something. One is different. Okay, all is different, then all uniqueness is different. So here children, everyone is a unique. Here different people have shared their unique experience and feelings in this lesson. So in a first picture, see, Radha, my favorite activity is climbing trees. Just outside our house, there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out so it is simple to climb up the tree and can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees, but one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. Children, in the first picture, there is a life experience of Radha. See, this is a picture of Radha. She says that her favorite activity is climbing the trees. So she likes climbing the trees in around her house. So she expresses her feelings as there is a mango tree near her house. Children, there is a mango tree near her house. She likes to climb the tree because she sits comfortably in the fork of two branches of mango tree. So she sit comfortably in the tree. So but every time her mother tells her it is not suitable for girls. So usually climbing the trees is not suitable for girls. So her mother always tells her to don't do that activity because that is not sensible for girls. Okay, but one day her mother also climbed the tree with Radha. So one day her mother also climbed the tree with Radha. Both they were enjoyed and eats the raw mangoes. So both they were enjoyed by the climbing of tree, and then both they eat the raw mangoes, means kacha mangoes. Next she tells to reader when she climb up the tree it seems to be, means it looks like to she ruled the whole world because she can sit top of the tree and then she looks around the world. So it seems to her she can rule the whole world. She is capable of ruling the whole world. So that is the life experience, that is the enjoyable thing, that is the most favorite activity for Radha. So that is like you also like climbing the tree, and then other than activity somebody like swimming, somebody like playing football, like that. So all are uniqueness, all have different quality in their own way. See next, I can read the next page, page number 70. Nazir, when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy a new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve the seeds so that we can use them again and most spend money and not spend money every year. See, children, in the next paragraph there is an example of Nazir. Nazir shared his feelings. He wished to be a seed collector because his family owned a cotton fields in the village. Means his family have a farm field in the village. So every year his father spent a lot of money on buying the seeds to grow a new plant. So that is a basic thing. All farmers are buying the new seeds to grow the new plants every year. So every year his father spent a lot of money on buying this seeds. Okay children, but once his grandfather told to Nazir, means once the Nazir grandfather told to him in their time, means in his grandfather time, he could collect the seeds to growing the new plants. Okay, he could collect the and preserve the seeds to grow the new plants for next year. So but this was not applicable for present time. So this was not applicable for present time. So every year all farmers are spent a lot of money for buying the seeds. So how can it is possible? So Nazir think that why it is not possible. So he think that why the farmers are not possible to collect and store the seeds for next year. So he wanted to know the art of seed preservation. So his basic wishes, his basic wish is he wanted to preserve the seeds, and then he could use that seeds in the for next year. Okay, this is the sharing experience, life experience of Nazir and Radha. So in the next video we can know the other people life experience. Okay, thank you children.